Hello friends, welcome to Creator King. Just listen to the roar of this beast. Shall I give you a ride in my red super sports car? To achieve that beautiful sound, we'll need a can of our beloved Pringles. Remove the lid and open it. The smell it releases when the seal is removed is intoxicating. I can't resist eating at least a couple to get rid of the craving. We'll keep the rest in a bag for later. Take a roll of toilet paper to clean out the grease left in the container, so you don't go around leaving pieces of fried food everywhere. The next step is to remove the base of the can with a sharp tool, so that the sound doesn't get trapped inside. Get rid of the freshly cut base so that you're able to see through. Take one of those syringes that came with the cough syrup you were given as a child. Although I kept using it up until not long ago because I was having a hard time taking pills. Tell me I'm not the only coward afraid of getting them stuck in my throat. Take the nearest popsicle stick and apply hot glue on half of it. Glue the syringe to it. Then look for a fish tank motor that you can steal from your local aquarium. Don't worry about the fish. I'm sure they have more. Go back to the popsicle stick and apply a blob of hot glue on the back. Glue the motor there. I'm sure you can't even imagine what this strange piece is for. In fact, I don't even know what to call it. Motorized syringe? Get a roll of transparent tubing sold in hardware stores and cut a piece of about 20 centimeters with scissors. Look at that beautiful tube. All the tubes should be made transparent so you can see everything that goes through them. Connect the piece we just cut to the syringe nozzle and the remaining end to the pivot of the fish motor. A little bit of adhesive bumblebee tape will help us hold all the parts together. You know, so they don't fall apart because of the car vibrations. Have you brushed your teeth yet? Don't lie, I can smell it from here. After you've taken care of your oral hygiene, remove the cap from the mouthwash. This type of cap is exactly what we need. But first, let's make a gigantic hole in the top with the help of a sharp tool. Once we've created a crater in the lid, take the double cable from your garage or remove it from your brother's electric car. We'll also need a red button to be able to turn on our whole invention once it's finished. It's so fun to press. Join the loose wires to the wires of the switch by twisting them like your mom does with your sister's hair. We can't leave those copper strands exposed. So get some tape, preferably insulating tape, to cover the connections. Then, put the button with the wires through the mega hole in the lid and seal it with hot glue, applying it all around. Place 2 drops of glue on the bottom edge of the lid and attach a popsicle stick to it. Next, apply hot glue right in the center of that stick and place another popsicle stick on top, making an X. Now we have this button that reminds me of some robotic character from the big screen. Who could it be? Maybe someone from the WALL-E movie? Buy a megaphone at a department store or order it on Amazon. I'm new to buying items over the internet, and I've always been suspicious about paying without seeing anyone. But my latest purchases have worked out well, such as this loudspeaker. It's so cute and small. Too bad we have to dismantle it. Well, that's life. But first, it would be very careless of us not to check that it works perfectly. So put the batteries in and take out your iPod or MP3 player for a sound check. To begin, unplug the headphones from the device and with the help of powerful tweezers, carefully open the cover on one of the headphones. I think I'll have to buy new ones because these are hopeless. Once you have the speaker exposed, attach it to the audio receiver of the megaphone. To secure it, apply hot glue around the edge of the horn and then add the Pringles container on the opposite side, where the sound of motorized roar will come out. Glue it well with hot glue, and we'll have half of our great and unique invention. Yes, in this video, there will be only one. I have creative blocks too, okay? Don't put your MP3 player away yet. We'll need it to play the sports car sound. What? Did you really think that little red car would make such a sound with just a can of Pringles? Ha! Delusional. Apply glue to the exposed part of the popsicle stick and attach it. And like any electrical appliance, we'll need to create its circuit. So get the wires with the usual snap and put everything together to start making the corresponding connections. We have Weird Thing 1, the snap cables, and Weird Thing 2. First, let's connect the black wire from the snap to the red wire of the robotic button. Then the red wire from the snap to the nearest red wire from the fish tank motor. Join together the last two free wires and the circuit is ready. Just connect the 9-volt battery to the clasp so that the circuit can begin to work. To organize it better, hot glue the battery to the remaining part of the popsicle stick and attach the snap. We're almost ready to finish and go for a snack. Let's just say I didn't have breakfast and my stomach is screaming for a hot dog. In order for the air to exit the syringe, we'll need to make a hole in the side near the nozzle with a sharp tool. This pile of magnets will allow our invention to be easily attached to any metal object, such as the exhaust pipe of your car. Place them on top of the Pringles can and tape them down as tightly as possible so that it won't fall off when you break the barrier of sound in your sports car. Look how tightly it holds onto the table leg. Even a strong guy like me has a hard time taking it off. There are just a few tiny details missing until you go for a drive and conquer a few babes. Once we have connected the headphones to the MP3 player, test it by turning on the device. This will cause the air pressure to push the support of the syringe pressing the button on the music player, which will start to play the roar of fury. But I don't have any sound like that saved in my device yet. Who in their right mind would have roars of any kind on their MP3 player besides heavy metal lovers? For obvious reasons, let's look for a Ferrari sound effect to make our invention work. Once you've chosen it, download the sound and wait patiently like the civilized adults you are. Wow, it didn't take long at all. Good thing, because I was about to start complaining. Store it in the corresponding folder and you're ready to impress your friends, get some girls, and annoy your neighbors in the wee hours of the morning. Let's move on to the best part of any video, the quality test. I will show you how to install your new toy. First, place the red button under the accelerator so that when you start the car and begin your journey, you can press the button and release the beast. We left the cable long so that it can easily reach the exhaust pipe of your car, passing between the seats and upholstery. I can't wait to try it. Take the Pringles can and megaphone out of the trunk. And don't forget to connect the headphones to the MP3 player. Then stick it to the bottom of your car near the exhaust pipe. Once it's securely fastened with the magnets, the time has come for everyone to bite the dust of our red Chinese imitation Ferrari. Listen to that baby. And better yet, watch it go. I knew you'd go far. So fast. Thanks for watching our inventions made out of household items today. Follow my channel if you'd like to learn more about making simple yet incredible inventions. Also, click on the link to see more videos about my amazing inventions. Click on the link to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Until next time,